those in favor of the motion will please rise.
Mr. Scheer.
Mr. Scheer.
Mr. Bazan.
Mr. Bazan.
Yeas pour 324, 324. Nays contre, nil aucun.
I declare the motion carried.
Garnet Janice, we've just finished the vote. Thank you all for watching the vote. Thank you for your support. So you would have seen that the House more or less unanimously endorsed both of these initiatives to support the middle way approach, genuine autonomy for Tibet, and also to endorse a bill banning forced organ harvesting and trafficking. So two strong steps for human rights, two initiatives that I've been working on for 7 years as a parliamentarian, and both are now passed into law. So thank you for watching the votes. Thank you. Please continue to advocate, call on the government to push these initiatives forward, to implement them fully. But big steps forward today. Thank you all for watching, and all the best.